All right, guys, we got a 250 on skids rolling out shop today. This one going on man John. Now, this just ain't your average 250, all right? So let's check it out. Now, on the outside, he did our patina finish, all right? Now, we've got a big selection of tanks here. He chose a rusty one. I really like the rusty ones. They always come out nice. Always look a little bit different. So what we do all our metal work, clean the tank up, clear coat it all. All right, guys, yes, the clear coat will come off over time. That's why we call it the patina finish, right? Just kind of makes sense. It's in the name. So we'll continue to patina. Now, fold down stack, that is standard on every tank smoker we do. So you get the fold down stack. Like I said, this one is on our skid package. We do a really badass fabricated skid package. He did add the stainless steel shelf up front. That's a nice option to throw on there. Speaking of stainless steel, we'll open her up here. You'll see he's got something special in here. He's got our stainless steel round bar grates. All right, we'll slide these bad boys out. Very easy to clean up, not gonna rust up on you. Plus, you can brag to all your buddies, hey, I got the stainless steel grates in my pit. You didn't, all right? A really nice option there. We started to do a bunch of these. This pit does have a 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain in the bottom as well. Makes it easy to clean up. TMG pits tell truth thermometers in each door. See those bad boys right there. Now we'll come around to the firebox. So we got a fully insulated firebox in here. That's how we do every tank smoker. That's how they come, not an option, that is standard. All right, inside he did add our pizza plate. So that slides out, great for searing steaks, doing wood-fired pizzas in the firebox. Really works out well. Got his ash scraper in here as well. Make it easy to clean your firebox out. Doors insulated, the front of it's insulated well, holds heat great. Makes this pit very easy to run. D-ring tie downs on all four corners too, that way during shipping or moving around, easy to tie her down. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.